Good afternoon from a very hot Netherlands. It's something like 34 degrees. It's really hot. And I think this bike is even hotter. This beautiful Honda CBX1000Z with a 6-in-6 exhaust pipe master, known for this beautiful sound. And I just want to start it up here. The bike is now ready. And let's hear it. It's beautiful, the color. Look at this. 42,565 kilometers. Completely serviced. The carburetors have been ultrasonic cleaned and adjusted, completely new. New tires. Well, let's start it up. We warmed it up already a bit. Let's hear it. When this bike makes like 9,000 RPM, it's crazy. What a sound. The planning is we are going to make a video from the bike on full speed with this sound. We have to find a road that's legal for that. The bike is well, it's really beautiful. What a bike. Can't wait to shoot that video on full speed and see the result. Oh, what a beauty. The CBX1000Z. It's now really, when it's more warm, it gets a bit higher in RPM. You see the response on the, it's really well. So if you like the video, please follow us on our YouTube channel. The first video from this bike without the new paint set and full inspection and service. Well, we got 1.4 million views. Would be nice if you could get more on this video. Well, let's see what happens. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please follow us on our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.